你好. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to express the meaning of excessive, very, too with the particle le, or more specifically with the sentence pattern 太了. The 太了 pattern starts with subject 太 adjective 了. This 太 adjective 了 sentence pattern is used to express two different contexts. First, 太了 is used to exclaim how good something is, as in English, very, so, very nice, very beautiful. The second context, 太了 is used to complain or to give a reason for not doing something, or to express something is really excessive. It is often translated as too in English. Let's take a look on some examples. 她太美了. 她太美了. She is extremely beautiful. Or you may say, she is so beautiful. 小猫太可爱了. 小猫太可爱了. The kitten is so cute. 这样的安排太好了. 这样的安排太好了. This kind of arrangement is really good. Or you may say, this kind of arrangement is so good or extremely good. As you may notice, all these examples indicating that something is good or how good something is. However, in the following examples, you may see sentence indicating complaints or expressing something is really excessive. 现在太晚了. 现在太晚了. It is too late now. 老板太忙了. 老板太忙了. The boss is too busy. 米饭太多了，吃不完。米饭太多了，吃不完。There is too much rice. We can't finish it.